Hey guys, Zaliber here. I do want to give you guys a little quick update on my channel. Um, though this may look like the first video I've ever posted on this channel, but it's not. I have another channel named the Zombie Dude in which I do PS3 and PC gaming. That would have been my main account, but I had to switch it to Zaliber because the PS4 next gen console wouldn't let me use my old name, which was Zombie Dude, due to a password malfunction. It kept saying how invalid it was, so I had to create this new profile. So if you ever want to see any PlayStation 4 or next gen gaming, funny moments or any montages, just go to Zaliber. And if you want to see any PC or PS3 gaming, then go ahead and click on the Zombie Dude channel. That's my other channel that I use. That's what I'm named on all the other systems because I was able to create the profiles there. So yeah, I do want to let you guys know about that, and also the volume on this clip is very low, so I do want to let you guys know about that. So you might want to turn up the speakers, turn it up because it was just born naturally low. I don't know why. I don't know how to fix it. I've tried everything. It's just it was just born low volume. So I don't know what's wrong with it. I just want to let you guys know because whenever I listened to it, it just sounded really low. So you guys might want to turn up the volume. Anyway, guys, that's really all I wanted to say. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like and leave a comment. Let me hear what you guys' feedback is and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
I'm driving a boat.
Hey, come back! I'm gonna come over there on a jet ski.
I'm on a jet ski.
Johnny on a jet ski. Oh,
I'm behind our boat taking cover.
where are you?
It'll fuck me out.
Oh no! No, I will not die! You cannot die!
Good.
Lol. Lol.
I hope you die.
Lol, lol. Lol, no.
Hey, you remember last episode video we did?
Follow me, I'm in a helicopter.
I'm in a fucking boat thing.
Get in! Get in! Get Guys, we're in the 18. We're in the 8. We're in Get in! Get in! Get in! Get in!
Nope.
Get
I'm on
in!
it.
Get in! Oh, wow, what an idiot. They're actually gonna take it? Wow. Noob. Wow, that's a lot coming
I'm
in a
leaving.
mile.
What else is off-watering?
What does that even mean? Oh, okay, yeah, this
When
is
you're
you.
in a boat and you drive on the water.
I see you. I'm
You
behind
know
you.
this boat that could drive on the water?
It does drive on water.
Yeah, that's called off. Oh, and land.
It's
It's
called a fan boat,
off-watering.
you idiot.
See, and now this is called off-roading. Not
Off-roading.
road.
Off-roading.
Off-roading extreme. Wait,
Hi! Hi! Well, we're still...
And you fail.
why do I just sit it?
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
You know, you can always sell it and repair your house.
Hi! Hi, hi. Oh my god. Alright. Well, how do we fix this? Alright, genius, how do we fix this? Yes, the best idea ever.
Get in.
Oh, I can destroy it though. Go! That,
Go.
oh my god, it didn't work.
You want to go try it? Have you ever before?
No, I have a rocket launcher.
See, that's the thing. You went the wrong way.
What the?
Blow it up.
Alright, ready? Go!
Way to fucking go, genius.
What?
Nope.
This guy is literally trying to go. Oh wait! What the? Yay! It worked! Aww.
Can you repair it?
Or not. What's this gun?
Dominated Operation Sniper.
I don't have a
Go fucking redeploy then.
sniper. But I don't want my spot to be taken.
son of a bitch.
What the fuck? Bye, have a good time. Where'd find you? No! Oh. Yay!
I gotta throw down my cactus. Oh no. I gotta throw down my cactus.
Attack him, sir. You're funny.
No, can't do that. Time to throw down another cactus, sir. Give me your position. Put me in the position and give it away.
Oh. Oh my god, oh my god!
We did it! Yes! We did it!
We did it! We did it!
To YouTube, I can't.
Are you in a
I'm trying
helicopter?
to YouTube in a helicopter.
Are you in a helicopter?
No, I'm in a dick.
Heads up, commander online.
I'm stuck in a big black dick right now.
I'm not a pilot.
Yeah, dude, your helicopter is gay.
Why, what's wrong with my
Get
helicopter?
to addictive stuff for you guys.
Where are you? Are you actually inside my
I'm
helicopter?
in the fucking helicopter.
Yay! Man.
I wanna go to the plane. I wanna go to the plane. No, I'm getting off.
No, don't get off. Don't be that way.
I jumped out.
Don't be
You're a
that
fucking
way.
terrible pilot.
You're a terrible pilot.
Guys, I have orders.
I don't care. Oh, suck off. Ah! What happened? What killed me? Hey.
Now, dude, do me a favor. Look behind us.
Why do you want to
Straight
look?
behind us.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was scary. What?
I want you to do me a favor.
Why?
I want you to come all the way over here.
Helicopter!
Chill out. Right here.
Helicopter! Helicopter!
Vomited. Stay where you are. Be a good boy.
Helicopter!
Be a good boy.
Helicopter! Helicopter! Helicopter!
No, vomited. Be a good boy. Go back to where I am. Go back.
Hang on! We're landing! Alright, it's landed. It's landed! It's landed! I landed
Alright,
it!
now go back to where I am.
Alright, hang on. Hang on! I can do this! I can do this!
And you failed.
I can do it! I did it!
It kind of blows. This is it.
So,
Oh shit, our carrier's open? I want to top still. Okay, fuck.
I don't even know what that means. What does that mean?
It means that the enemies can come inside our boat and it'll fuck us. Hacker. No, not really.
Hacker.
Fuck me up.
Oh, wait a minute. Dude, spawn on me. Spawn on me. I'm the best idea ever.
Spawn on me. Spawn on me. Spawn. No. I got a better idea.
What?
Helicopter.
Oh, yeah?
No, never mind.
My friend.
Never mind. Helicopter, no idea.
Come on.
Helicopter, no idea.
Come on. Yes! It worked! It worked! Hey, let me James Bond it. Hang on, let me fly really high up and then like jump into your helicopter. James Bond style.
Alright, I'm already flying really high up.
I see that. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Can you even see me at all?
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, that's me. That's me. Whatever you do, don't run into me. Now that I gave you that idea, you want to do that, are you? Dude, stop flying away! Stop flying away from me, alright? Oh, I'm standing still. Why am I standing still? Alright, I see you. Why did I do that? That was dumb.
Dumbass.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, helicopter.
Hey, what's up? You can't hit me.
Hey, aren't you trying to James Bond me?
Yeah, I'm trying to James
Why are you
Bond.
flying lower than me?
Why are you flying higher than me? Alright, just stay where you are. I'm gonna James Bond it. James Bond. I got smacked by my own helicopter. I got smacked by my own helicopter. What are you doing?
What's up, my nigga?
What's up?
Oh, we're going to Jurassic Park.
I don't want to go to Jurassic Park. These damn dinosaurs.
Dude, you're so fat that you're like tilting the helicopter. What the hell's wrong with you?
Bad.
Dude, you fat ass.
No! No, I turned around. I turned around. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I was on a diet. I was on a diet. No.
I was on a seafood diet.
I was on,
Get it?
I was on a cookie diet. Okay,
Why? We're going to Jurassic Park.
yay, Jurassic Park. You know the top of the I'm not scared.
We will reach Jurassic Park in approximately 1 hour.
Oh yeah. But the objective's over there. Over there. You have to go
The
over there.
objective is straight ahead.
No, that's not the objective. That's just an island.
Yeah, the objective is reaching Jurassic Park.
No, that's not Jurassic Park. It's just an island.
Hey, soldier, where
Turn
you
around.
going?
Oh shit, is that right?
Yeah, we
That's
can.
not Jurassic Park. That's not Jurassic Park, the only one.
Ah, that was easy. That was
How
fun.
did we win? I'm good. I'm quitting.
We won. How did we win?